the new BMW F900 XR. Higher, faster and further. XR stands for the uncompromising combination of athleticism and long-distance performance, adrenaline for days, curve for curve. On the new F900 XR, you can keep hunting these curves without stopping, mile after mile. Even its thrilling design promises pure performance. While the upright, relaxed sitting position and the wind and weather protector show, only one person decides when your ride is over, you. Thanks to the full assortment of equipment, you are just as well equipped for sport riding and travel as you are for the city. The F900 XR is the bike that matches you and your attitude. The motivation of the F900 XR can be seen at the very first glance. The striking LED light guides of the newly developed headlight emphasize the commanding nature of the F900 XR, a feeling that you know best. The fairing builds further upon this dynamic excitement. Precise edges define its aggressive design. The slim and visually short tail invokes the athletic energy of this long-distance performer. The ergonomics of the F900 XR are designed for sporty long-distance performance. Take on curve after curve behind its protective front fairing. Maximum variability is the rule here, with seat heights from 30.5 to 34.25 inches, as well as a fully adjustable hand lever and flexible two-level windshield. The optimal position of the footrest and seat enables your passenger to join in on the passion for every mile. The high-torque two-cylinder inline engine of the F900 XR delivers between 4,500 and 8,500 RPM for 92 Nm. The optional dynamic ESA delivers optimal suspension comfort and very stable handling. Those who press forward like this leave the others behind. Numerous other innovations ensure a pleasant and relaxed ride. The dynamic brake control and engine braking control deliver more control for emergency braking and for abrupt releases of the accelerator as well as sudden downshifts. The F900 XR is setting standards when it comes to illumination. It has an adaptive cornering light, available for the first time in the mid-range segment. Placed in the newly developed striking LED headlamps, it provides perfect illumination for corners at a 7 degrees angle, an obvious plus when riding at night or with poor lighting conditions.